Simple machines, mechanical advantage. MA is equal to W upon P is equal to load upon effort. Velocity ratio is equal to distance traveled by effort upon distance traveled by load is equal to Y upon X. Percentage efficiency is equal to MA upon VR into 100, or percentage efficiency is equal to output upon input into 100. PI is equal to W upon VR. पिंटू वानखेडे वसईला राहतो. PF is equal to P minus PI. प्रोफेसर पप्पू पिंपरीला गेला. WF is equal to WI minus W. वाफट वाढत वामन गेला. WI is equal to P into VR. वाईचा पवार. लॉ ऑफ मशीन. P is equal to MW plus C. Max MA is equal to 1 upon M. Maximum percentage efficiency is equal to maximum MA upon VR into 100, or 1 upon M into VR into 100. If maximum efficiency greater than 50%, machine is reversible. If maximum efficiency less than 50%, machine is irreversible. If maximum efficiency is equal to 50%, machine is on the point of reversing. Simple axle and wheel. एक axle एक wheel. Velocity ratio is equal to master D upon small d. Differential axle and wheel. दो axle एक wheel. Velocity ratio is equal to 2D upon D1 minus D2. Weston's differential pulley block. Velocity ratio is equal to 2D upon master D minus small d. Single purchase crab winch. Velocity ratio is equal to 2L upon D into N1 upon N2. N1 मतलब spur wheel, N2 का मतलब teeth on pinion wheels. Double purchase crab winch. Velocity ratio 2L upon D into N1 upon N2 into N3 upon N4. Worm and worm wheel. Worm and worm wheel. Velocity ratio RT upon NR or LT upon NR. Simple screw jack. Simple screw jack. Velocity ratio 2 pi L upon P or 2 pi R upon P or pi D upon P. भारत माता की.